You shouldn't have to stay up day and night trying to figure out how to create your StudentForms account.
We hope that this video will help you finish the financial aid process and get your aid faster. The first step will be selecting your browser. StudentForms website supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. You then can type in connect.ucmerced.edu. You then will click on undergraduate students and then click on My Merced. From here, you can sign in with your UC Merced Net ID or Merced ID and password to access your checklist. To move forward with creating your StudentForms account, you will want to check My Checklist. You will then want to direct your attention to Create StudentForms Account requirement, which will take you to the StudentForms platform to create your account. All there's left to do is to confirm your information such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and social security number if you have one. This information has to match what you entered on your financial aid application. If you can't remember how you entered this information, just check your student aid report, SAR, or Cal SAR.